Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove audio from a video on Videoleap. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Videoleap application and log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged in, you can either tap on the plus icon and work on a new project by selecting a video, or tap on projects to work on your recent project. Now once you're inside the editing screen, in order to remove the audio, just go ahead and tap on the video on which you want to remove the audio. Now from the settings at the bottom, just scroll to the right and you will find audio. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can find the mute button which you can tap on in order to remove the audio from the video. Now if you play it, you will see that there is no audio within the video. You can also remove the audio by using the volume tab and then turning it all the way to 0. And once you remove your audio, you can simply tap on the export button to export your video without the audio. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to remove audio on Videoleap. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.